In my last video, we rode the Chi-Cheemaun, a trip I'll do again and again. But between the road and that ferry is the piece that makes it all work. Tobermory Harbour, popularly known as Tobermory's Little Tub Harbour. This is the main commercial harbour in Tobermory, Ontario. It's a busy hub for glass-bottom boat cruises, sea kayaking, and accessing popular attractions within the Peninsula National Park. The Chi-Cheemaun, which actually means the big canoe, is being run by the Owen Sound Transportation Company. It's connected Highway 6 across Lake Huron for decades. Crossing takes just under 2 hours, and it moves hundreds of people and cars each run. If you are thinking of planning a trip, I advise to check the live schedule before you go. I'll leave a link in the description below. But this harbour isn't just transit. It's a pause button. You will see the Canadian Coast Guard here, Cape Commodore, Tobermory's SAR session capes and iron bends. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Ooh, these smokes.